Relax. Relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Oh, get off of me. Get my kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't do that. Get off of me. No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me.
This is where everything starts to go wrong. You can feel it even before the real tension begins. See how small decisions spiral? She thinks she's in control, but there's a subtle shift in tone, a subtle rise in stress. At this moment, she doesn't realize what's coming next. How quickly calm can turn into chaos. You felt that too, right? That creeping sense of something's off. It's real, and it shapes every choice she's about to make.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Melbourne, happy for Walton.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robert.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended, and you have a seized tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made a payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update it. But you didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse,
Okay.
I made payment.
Then when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera thing.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry?
What's the point?
Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
That's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to say that.
Okay. I'll be right back. Stay in the car, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're doing something. You're not telling me what you're doing.
I don't have to tell you right now. Have a seat in the car and I'll be right with you.
Okay, but you can't touch the property without the license.
Okay, well, that's incorrect.
That's very
So,
correct.
have a seat in the car. I already told you, you have a seized tag order. Have a seat in the car and I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay, but where's my license? I have to go put that next to
Your license is being returned to the state of Florida as well. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever
Okay,
I want. If I
ma'am.
can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my dad. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court
I
ruling
need
that
you
says
to
you
back
need to
up.
get back in your car.
Supreme Court
Now
rule?
get back in
Let
your
me
car.
See it. Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR
things.
suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her is there any other problem. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to
Explain.
go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Until you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I
You
just take
owe
it from
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse and
Okay.
she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on. Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job. I can't help that. Ma'am, go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Okay. Ma'am, you're this close to going to jail. Okay. This close to jail. Have a seat by your car. Ron, don't let her go.
241 unit check.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off.
That hand.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get my kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't do that. Get off of me.
Go to the
No,
ground.
I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me.
Yeah, this is where it shifts. Notice how panic begins to override logic. Every argument, every refusal isn't just about the license, it's about control. When trust breaks between two people in a high-stakes moment, control slips fast. Look at how she pushes back, insisting she's right. This isn't defiance for fun, it's a fight to preserve autonomy, even if it leads to worse outcomes. Panic creates bad decisions, and we can see it unfolding line by line.
No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing? Oh my God! What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop. Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick.
County 249.
49.
Show it the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249 resuming normal traffic with the 1015 and 245 hours.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Be careful.
8 more units.
You take these handcuffs
Nope,
off.
you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the
and then
courthouse. I was
when you
just
punched
there.
me, when you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not
Now
hit
it's battery,
you.
Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
That's
it's all
a
on video.
lie. How can you lie?
You all right?
Are you?
Yep.
At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah,
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am,
I should have touched it 'cause I was at the courthouse.
did you not just drive off?
Yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No,
Yeah,
because I was
okay.
going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
with the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't.
There.
You don't have the right to leave.
Okay,
Well, I don't need to understand.
and they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested?
Well,
That's sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
And I didn't do nothing.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done, and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me
Yeah.
a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's
You're
a
right.
lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just
I wanna
one
go
on
get
a
my kid.
traffic stop, and she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then
I
she
went
decided
the
to
courthouse
jump when
yesterday,
her
paid
car was
$100.
getting ready to get
Why
impounded.
would she lie?
She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh?
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to
I
jail.
did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. How can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
For you.
Nobody got hurt. No one's.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my hand is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two
It's
people.
been a while, man.
If it's a
Can
DNR,
I leave, please?
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got stuff to do. Yeah, you don't mind?
Let's go.
I'll take care of it. I'll get work on the way.
All right, I'll move so you can pull up. Thanks for coming.
I've been here quick, but you canceled.
I know. I think I heard you. That was you, I think. Hey, you meet the new chief?
Not yet.
He's there. He's a good guy. You probably know him. You probably remember if you saw
My
him.
wife knows him.
Yeah. And his son works for OPD
Oh, yeah.
too. Yeah. Good guy.
Cool.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
All right, we'll see you.
I don't know why the lady at the courthouse didn't tell me the truth. Or I'm getting it doesn't make sense. I went there to figure out what's going on with my license. Because I do not want to go to jail. I do not want to get pulled over by you guys. It's a waste of time. So I don't understand why I went to the courthouse and she did not tell me everything. I don't understand that. Why would I go there if she's not going to tell me everything? And then you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Want to go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. Doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my license. And she lied to me, so my car didn't get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids, and this is wasting my.
No, that decision changes everything. She's thinking about her kids, the time lost, the tickets, but the emotions cloud judgment. In these moments, it's not about the law. It's about survival and fear. We all know that feeling when frustration meets a barrier and the body reacts before the mind catches up. This is why escalation happens so quickly. One wrong move, one emotional surge, and the situation spins out of control. She's trapped between necessity and panic, and that gap creates conflict everyone can see.
Time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're gonna tell somebody, "Oh, are you okay? What has happened to you?" You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my kids? Who's gonna put my kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. She went to pay her money to the courthouse and they want to go to Disney and I can't even take them because I have to work to pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the fucking ground and then say throw a punch. fuck? How do I even get out? Like, what the fuck is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the fuck does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapons. Nothing. Oh, she threw a punch. She drove up. Yeah, to find out why did I have the car? Why? I was just there and paid a lot of money that I
Here's the
don't.
key takeaway. If you feel pressure rising, then pause, because one rush decision can create consequences you can't undo. Notice how clarity returns only when emotions settle. It's simple in theory, but in real life, under stress, we forget it. Every argument, every reaction carries weight. Moments of control are fleeting. When you act calmly, even under pressure, you retain options. And that's the real lesson for viewers. Decisions under stress matter more than the stress itself. If this video helped you understand how small choices escalate, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to BodyCam CoreX. There's more real-life insight here waiting, and your engagement helps us bring these lessons to everyone.